Okay, boys. So, today's been a long day, but it should lead to something very cool. So, I'm gonna turn the camera around, and you're gonna see something else that we didn't have in the last video. But I did mention this car a couple videos back. There's probably only one person who's actually watched all my videos, but whatever. So let's turn it around. Look at this thing. Another white Accord. Another white Accord. Like a lot like our CE1. But this one's not mine. If anybody watched the other videos, they know this is my buddy's car, Matt. He's probably in the video. I know we didn't film that much because getting the car here was a complete shit show. This Accord has been sitting in a garage for 2 years, and prior to that, it sat in somebody's yard for 3 years. So this thing is in need of the Make Honda's Great Again mission that we've been on for quite a few videos now on this channel. So 97 Accord, 5-speed manual, bought it with a bad head gasket. So he pulled the engine out, and it really didn't get much further than that. But we do have a JDM H22A under that towel on this engine hoist. Where the hell's my phone at? We'll show you the H22. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, H22A. This shiny black valve cover. It's fucking mint. Yeah, my buddy Matt, the owner of the car, has had some big hopes and dreams for the car. He's always wanted an H22. So we got this car hoping to get it in, and it just never really made it happen. I moved down here and was hoping to get it running, and there's some things that we're not even going to get into that happened, and we just didn't end up finishing it in that other garage. So now it's here, and we're going to get it running. There's a whole lot of parts, including a weapon R intake, silicone radiator hoses, a full vibrant exhaust, Yanaka radiator, innovative motor mounts. There's a whole list of parts that were purchased for this car. So we're making this Accord great again. That's our thing. That's what we do. We make cars great again. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. So I thought I'd give some context on this clip you're watching right now. Yeah, I think I've already explained that the Accord has sat in that garage for 2 years, and this minivan has been sitting in front of it for probably about 1.5 years, 2 years. So it was real fun to move it, and I thought it'd be funny to record it, so I recorded it. Yeah, so enjoy it.
But it moved.
That was funny.
Oh, it broke.
Should have get the other one.
How beefy is your bumper?
Those?
Go ahead. Drive around and push it. Fuck it, let's go, dude.
The wheel turn?
The key's in it, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Oh. It's working.
Isaiah, over here. Move this back.
It was a weird tire. See that?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna push it out in the fucking road.
Oh, jeez. No. How are you? That's cool. Oh my god. Oh.
I don't care.
Obviously.
Go.
Oh my gosh. What did you just do? What? That helped. Ah. Oh my gosh. Annabelle, move back, please.
It's just gonna move that way because the tires.
Oh, I thought it turned on. Okay, okay.
Digging a hole back here. I think that's good enough, honestly. But I'll give it another tap.
His
Your
face.
tire is like.
That's good as a dent.
I think. There you go.
Yeah.
Well done.
That was fun.
Alright, boys, it's going down. H22 swap, CD7. I think it's a CD7. Got the strap of the H end. How's it going, dude?
Is it good?
Alrighty then. Well, you guys have seen most of what really matters that happened today. Like I said earlier in the video, I wish I had recorded some more, but I really didn't. It was too hectic and just really stressful, and we just did not pull out the camera at all. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So tomorrow we're gonna be going to the junkyard and maybe doing some work on the Accord, this coupe that we just brought in today. We're gonna go pick some stuff up from the junkyard, some little odds and ends, and then we are gonna start working on it. Hopefully I can have a video up in another day or two, and I'm really hoping that we can make progress faster than we have been with this thing. I really would like it to be done sometime before the end of next week, and have like 2 or 3, maybe 4 videos of this Accord, and once it's running and driving, it's gonna be sweet. So be bringing, like I said, I'm gonna bring the GoPros to the junkyard, and hopefully we get some footage of that, and then some footage of the working on the car a little bit. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. It really is motivating. It's tough to make videos. I'm trying to get better at it. I'm thinking my videos are just a tiny bit too long. I gotta try and make them a little shorter. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one.